All right, it's on.
It's on?
It's on.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Nigel.
And Jessica. And we're here today to talk about our wonderful Moringa seed oil serum that Nigel has made. And I'll let Nigel get started on telling you all about it while I actually apply it. This is how I apply it every morning. So.
Okay. Well, you know Moringa seed serum. It's squeezed from the Moringa seed. There's no heat added, so it's cold pressed. Reason why? When it's cold pressed, all the minerals and all the health properties are there still, just as if it's the natural seed, because you know a lot of people like to eat Moringa seeds. Now, it's rich in vitamin E and vitamin A, as I was explaining before. And because of its high content of, it has more minerals in it, but those two is what helps to reverse the iron in the hair that makes it gray. But we do not recommend moringa oil to drink because what happens is moringa seeds can use to purify undrinkable water. They're doing that in parts of Africa and India. Now, if you eat too much of moringa seed, it can over clean the body. Now, from each seed, there is only like 1 or 2 drops of oil that comes from it. So there's no measuring on how much you can drink. It can be used to cook with and stuff like that, but I don't recommend for you to cook with it.
I guess the best thing is
to apply it to the skin because whatever you put on the skin automatically comes in the body.
And it's great around those fine line areas,
Yes.
right around
The
here
edges,
and here,
you know.
right around here, and it feels like silk going on your face. It's absolutely wonderful. So visit our website, www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com, and get yours today. We have it for 25% off. This is our 1 ounce bottle.
This is the half ounce.
And it's 25% off. Just enter the code, I love my face. So that's it.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
See you next time.
Until next time, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bless up.